Alright, I'm about to show you how to do a shadow fade in 1 minute. First thing, you need to make sure you have your clippers all the way closed, and you want to make your first guideline as you see. Next, we're going to open our clippers all the way, go up about 1/4 of an inch, put your 1 guard back on your open clippers, and we're going to be going up about 1/4 of an inch again until we blend all these areas until they're nice and blurry. 1.5 guard for the occipital region. It just gives it a better, cleaner look, okay? Next, get your clippers, and we're going to be doing some notching back and forth until we get all those areas nice and blended. Get all the lines off, okay? Some spritz. Next, make sure you have some neck strips. You want to brush that down real nicely. It just gives it a nice, cleaner edge. A little secret, okay? As you see right here, it pops even better, okay? So just use the corner of your trimmers. I'm using some BaByliss's, and I'll leave the link in the description below if you're interested in that. I love my gold ones. It just makes everything pop. You don't have to set them, they already set. And as you see, I put a little bit of enhancements on my dad's edge right there just to make it pop even more. See, look at that blurriness. And he has gray hair. It just looks really good. For more exclusive content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. New content posted weekly and sometimes daily. It just all depends. Appreciate you for watching. I'm out.